Hello, brothers and sisters in Christ in Brazil and across South America. My name is Tom Corcoran. I've worked in a Catholic parish for nearly 27 years now in a variety of roles. Along with my pastor, Father Michael White, I've co-authored 6 and soon to be 7 books. I look forward to talking to you about how the church can improve on evangelization. For me, this means, first of all, seeing the whole parish as working together for this purpose. We are meant to work together in this important exercise as fishing buddies, so to speak. We approach each and every weekend Mass as an opportunity to reach someone new with the truth of the gospel. We create a culture of hospitality and communicate the gospel in a compelling, clear manner. I want to invite you to join me at the second edition of the Evangelizar Summit on the 22nd and 23rd of October in the city of Sao Paulo. Click on the link below to find out the schedule and start your application now. See you there.